Well, it's not easy to keep kids busy and engaged during the summer, but there is a local camp that youngsters can't get enough of. For the fourth year in a row, the Howard B. Owens Science Center is hosting a space engineering program. CTV's Sonia Srivastava has more.
Well, we've got a lot of young budding scientists here, and I got to tell you, I am surrounded by these rovers behind me, and they are all part of this camp. And the kids are really learning what kind of technology NASA uses to support some of their missions in outer space.
Austin Carter is a student at Kenmore Middle in Landover, and Ugona Chikere goes to Thomas Johnson Middle in Lanham. Both say they are interested in technology, mainly robots.
Like, robotics will be pretty much the world of the future, so I would like to help out in that world of the future.
What I really want to learn at this camp is how to function with different robots and program them to learn how to do different things.
The 10-day space engineering program here at Howard Owens Science Center aims to get kids excited in science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM. And looking at the enthusiasm shown by some of the participants, they don't have to try hard. The 30 chosen students work in small teams and work hands-on, designing, engineering, and programming robots that will use sensors to conduct missions. The goal is to look for water on the moon.
We are mimicking a recent mission that NASA had in which they were searching for lunar ice.
Because if there's ice, that means there had to have been water. And that's what we're trying to figure out.
Experts say it's critical to get these kids engaged while they are still at a young age. Many worry the U.S. will not have enough people to fill STEM career opportunities, which are expected to grow rapidly.
I think you see a lot of school systems starting programs in STEM. Roosevelt has always had one, but now you see that Oxon Hill, some other schools in Anne Arundel. So they understand that we have to start in middle school, and a lot of these students are in middle school, and you have to get them involved in these programs early so that they can compete with the rest of the globe.
Well, since the program's inception 4 years ago, organizers say they have seen the number of girls that are participating increase. This year, there are a record 9 in the program.
I'd like to learn the anatomy of things and maybe work with robotics whenever I grow up, just so I can program them to do a lot of things to help us in the future.
Space fascinates me, and one of those parts of space is the rovers.
In Lanham, Sonia Srivastava for CTV News.
And that camp is sponsored by the Jack Kent Cooke Foundation.